Don't say I like orange. Say I like oranges. Don't say come to here. Say come here. Don't say every student like the teacher. Say every student likes the teacher. Don't say don't go in the sun. Say don't go out in the sun. Don't say I have been here since 3 months. Say I have been here for 3 months. Don't say I must to call him immediately. Say I must call him immediately. Don't say she was boring in the class. Say she was bored in the class. Don't say when I will arrive I will call you. Say when I will arrive I will call you. Don't say I'm married next month. Say I will get married next month. Now there is short quiz. Please answer and inbox me the answer in a comment box. Thank you so much.